Hi everyone, in this short walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to use SkyCiv Beam. To start, you can find Beam as the second module on the dashboard under Analysis Software. To begin designing your beam, you can press SkyCiv Beam Quick Start or one of the buttons on the left-hand side panel to start adding features. I'm going to start with a 5-meter beam. Next, I'm going to want to add a section. You can directly input values for young modulus and moment of inertia, or you can launch the section builder tool. There is a separate video going into detail on how to use this tool, but for now, I'm just going to make a simple I-beam with these material properties here and submit. Next, I'm going to add a support. Let's add a fixed support to the leftmost edge and a pin support to the right side. Actually, I'm going to edit and put a pin support in the middle of the beam. So I can click into it and edit the support position to be 2.5, moving it to the middle. Now I'm going to add a point load to the beam at 1.25 meters of 10 kilonewtons. Then I'll add a 5 kilonewton moment and a distributed load going from 2 to 3 meters. And I'm going to make it 5 to 10 kilonewtons, so it's a non-uniform distributed load. I'm also going to add a hinge at 0.625 meters. You can see all your features listed on the right here, which you can click and easily edit if you need. Once all the features and loads on the beam are uploaded, I can click Solve to analyze the results. At the top, I have my free body diagram. We also have some hand calculations which allow you to verify the results. The bending moment diagram plots bending moment along the length of the beam, and the shear force diagram plots the shear force against the length of the beam. The numbers here match the shear force equation. Then you also have deflection, bending stress, and shear stress. You also have beam section here, which summarizes the section and material properties of the beam. At the bottom is a 3D render, which allows you to visualize how the beam will behave. Using the right-hand side Analysis tab, you can view more detailed results. Once you are satisfied with your results, you can export and save to your files. The PDF analysis reports creates a downloadable PDF of your results. Selecting this option will open a pop-up with options to pick out all or some of the results to be reported on. The report will look like this. The single-page report option gives a one-page summary. The Export to CSV option creates a file of data points of your beam results. The next thing I want to touch on is the built-in member design modules. Clicking the Design tab will bring up a drop-down of all the available design codes. Design codes are listed in the order of general steel, cold form steel, wood, concrete, aluminium, and other. To run integrated steel design checks with the beam module, select the steel design code from the design code drop-down. You can see what each value means by clicking on the I button and edit each value by clicking in the box. It seems that I need to add a load combination, and I should also change my section to one of the ones in the database library. I will go back to Model to make these adjustments. Now I can run a design check. Along the top panel will be a summary of all the design ratios for your code. You can move through these by selecting each result one by one. The design check will also return both a design summary report and a detailed design report for the beam member. To download these reports, select the relevant report button to bring up a preview of each report. To reset the design check, click the Reset button. Finally, the beam optimizer can optimize the sections based on the loading conditions set in the beam module itself. It goes through every section of the relevant database and shapes to extract the most optimized selection for the given conditions. The optimizer also allows users to directly commit the optimized section straight into their model from the results panel. Once you select this option, the software will rerun analysis and update the results. If you have any questions, send us a message on our platform. Our team is always here to help.